Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a pop-up form in your Wix.com site. So first off, go to your Wix website editor here. If you don't know how to go here, you have to start from the dashboard here, and you have to click this button here to design your site. Once you click on that, it'll take you to the Wix website editor. Now from here, you just have to go to Add Elements here. On Add Elements, go to Interactive. On Interactive, you can choose from any one of these light boxes that you want your pop-up to look like. I'm going to pick this blue one right here. I'm going to click on it to add. And now we've added a pop-up form like this. Give it a second to install like this. Once it's installed, since we don't want this pre-made template, we're just going to delete it. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to delete this as well. And now we're going to go on the left hand side here to add elements. On add elements, let's go to the forms section, contacts and forms. And in here, you can put in whichever form you'd like. For this example, I'm just going to do this one, for example. I'm going to attach it to the lightbox here. You'll see that there's the prompt there attached to lightbox. I'm going to reposition it. And now we have a form on our pop-up. Now let's text it out. I'm going to go to exit and I'm going to click on preview to see this work on the site. Give it a second. Once it's loaded, you'll see that it pops up and it has a form here that you can enter. You can type it in, you can type here, things like that. I'm going to show you how you can get back to the form page to edit your form or your design. If you want to go back, you have to go to page and you have to go to here, subscribe, join our list. Click on it. And now you've went back here. If you want to customize your pop-up or your triggers, for example, you can click on this to manage your lightbox like this. Or you can click your set triggers here to adjust when it'll pop up, right? Which page is it on? Right now it's on new page. And there's also a delay before the pop-up box actually pop up. You can also do a scheduling, and you can also link your lightbox to be triggered by any button or link on your website. You can also make the lightbox close by using the X button or a close button. So the close button like there. And there's also a close lightbox here. See? You can also change the design by clicking on this brush icon. And you can change it to be like this background. Or you can change it to be this mountain background. Or you can change it to this blue background. There's a lot. You can also upload your own if you'd like. You can also do a solid color. You can also do images, and you can also upload your own video if you'd like that.